Welcome to this guide on how to use the finance feature on the Faces app. Start by scrolling down to the Essentials section and click Finance. This is your Pay Later dashboard. To send a Pay Later link to your patient, click here. Now search for your patient's name. Then click their clinic of choice. Then select Treatments and choose your treatment. The total will appear here. You're now ready to click Send. Your patients will then receive an email with a Pay Later link. In order to view your patient's finance application status, click here. The decision for approval is usually within minutes after a patient completes the application. Only rare cases would take up to 24 hours to know the decision. This is if Pay Later needs additional info from the patient. Click here to see which patients was approved. In order to receive your first payment, click on your patient. Click Enter Code here. The patient will receive an email with the verification code as soon as they get approved for finance. They will be instructed to give it to their clinic on the day of the treatment. The clinic can ask for the code on the day of treatment to enter on the app. Please note that payments will take longer over weekends and holidays. This process will also activate your patient's loan agreement. It's important to enter the code on the day of the treatment once your patient is already in the clinic. Now click here to view completed applications. Here you can see all applications that was completed by patients. Ready to use the Faces app? Download it now for free.